ReBUILD Detroit is an NIH-funded undergraduate program to increase the number of underrepresented students to become scientific researchers. The consortium of University of Detroit Mercy and Wayne State University aims to increase the diversity of students pursuing and completing undergraduate and graduate research training in biomedical sciences. During their first year in the program, scholars will receive extensive support through student success coaching, peer and faculty mentoring, and learning communities, research-oriented courses to build research skills, preparation for working in faculty research labs, cohort and consortium meetings. After the first year, scholars will participate in the summer research experience, full-time 8-week paid position job as a research assistant in a faculty lab, culminating in an end-of-summer poster presentation. Apply to Detroit Mercy. Once accepted, your profile will be reviewed and considered for an in-person interview.